Okay guys, so we have our Jeep Gladiator bracket installed on this Gladiator Sport. The fenders are a little bit smaller, so the bracket does sit a little bit closer. But as you can see, this liner has a little bit of a lip. If you just go ahead and clearance that, your flap will go ahead and fit. And then if you come around here to the side, even more so, if you cut just a little slot, you'll be able to use the slot adjustment for the in and out motion on the flaps. Yeah, you have your thumb screws. The slots are in the bracket, but yeah, if you just clearance up to about 2 inches here and about 3/4 inches wide and just cut a slot in there in that liner, you'll be able to use your flap as intended and it will slide in and out like normal.